So yeah, that's the clicky noise, the dreaded clicky noise that everybody talks about. And there are, I guess, two solutions. One is the one that Rob posted on the Miles Phantom owners forum. So basically, we can take off this nut, take off the wheel, and the adapter that holds the actual wheel to the motor. We're gonna take that off so that way we can tighten this 17 millimeter nut that holds the motor casing to the actual truck itself. So we're gonna tighten that up, see if that solves the issue. But secondly, which I believe is my actual issue, is the adapter that sits inside, or the adapter that holds the wheel together. So Revel Drive or Revel Kit, Revel boards, they sell their unit with I guess better adapters, and a lot of people are buying those because the teeth are a little bit longer, so they hold the wheel a lot better and a lot more firm. So we'll see what works. With no wheels, the motors are completely fine. So luckily I have a Revel drive. But alright, check out the size on the Miles Phantom. Check the on the Revel drive. So of course, the fact that they're a lot longer means that they grab the center of the core of the wheel a lot better, so less slippage. So we're gonna try that, and we'll be right back. Quick little thing I noticed is the CloudWheels fit perfectly fine on the Revel Kits adapters, but these all-terrain honeycomb wheels do not fit on the Miles Phantom's adapters. As you can see, I was trying to put them on and I already kind of scraped them up a little bit by trying to put them on. Regardless, I'm not even going to be using these if I switch over to the adapters on the Revel Kit. So yeah, we're gonna, I mean, to me that was interesting, that the fact that I thought they had the same core, but apparently not. Alright, so I got the adapter on this side, so I'm gonna put everything back together, see if this clicking noise really does go away, so I can 100% confirm. But yeah, look at the difference. Big difference. Alright, update. Got the adapters off of the Phantom, just chilling here. Unfortunately, I took the Revel drive apart to really test this out, so I won't be riding the Revel drive for a little bit until I get the adapters for it, because man, I do love driving or riding this Miles Phantom. So now that I have the adapters on there, the longer teeth ones, listen to that. No flakes. Smooth. The way it needs to be.